So as a CIO, I look at things through a lens of three things. Operational effectiveness, as Alfred talked to, security, and efficiencies.
Okay.
And all three are huge benefits. If I just pull the thread on enterprise email a little bit, one of the problems the Army had, we owned the software exchange. We had an ELA with Microsoft. But believe it or not, before this year, we were running Exchange 2003, although we owned Exchange 2010. And the reason was really that we hadn't resourced enough procurement dollars to go from 32-bit servers to 64-bit servers.
Right.
And so going to infrastructure as a service, we don't think we'll have that problem anymore. And there's a couple other things you don't think about. With enterprise email, the really killer is this is now providing a DoD global address list. So before, no matter where you were, your global address list was constrained.
Right.
Right? But now I have a global address list with 3.5 million users. Anybody with a CAT card in DoD is in my global address list. Huge killer app.
Yeah.
The other one that was always constraining was when we hosted Exchange, we had 100 megabytes of storage, was the Army service level.
Wow.
And so I was always running out of storage. This has given us 4 gigabytes.
Okay.
And so hugely more operationally effective. The second one's security. So the Army, of course, looked at this as not trusting initially in the partnership.
Right.
And we wanted to see, we know how to secure things in the Army.
Right.
But what we've discovered, having analyzed this as architecture and their security, is that it's actually more secure than the way we used to do it. They're using more state-of-the-art technology, newer applications, and they're doing it at the DISA boundary now. It's not getting into the Army. So security's improved. And then significant savings. We estimate, the Secretary of the Army's gone on record saying we estimate about $100 million a year savings from DISA hosting the software that we owned versus us hosting it at individual post camps and station.
Yeah. Yeah.